punish them. Just make them feel
Oh no, not at all.
We want you back. We want you back.
They are grown up and they are quite mature. And I cannot explain. So there is no need of giving punishment at all. Good evening, everybody. My students and my teachers, with whom I have passed a long duration of time, and still you people in my heart. Though you are grown up, I could not understand, I could not recognize you. But when I came to know that your name, then I just remember the old days when you are very small and your childish behavior and all these things used to give us enough enjoyment and happiness, and that I remember still today. And yes, when I got that I must to say, and I was moved by these words. When I received the invitation letter, there it was written some lines, and I do not know whether it is a quotation or it is a creation of somebody's or the imagination of somebody. That lines moved me so much. Then I recognized myself. Yes, it is right, it is right, it is right. That is the lines of that you are like candles. The teachers are like candles. I am not myself, and all the teachers are there. And you are grown up, you are well settled. That is a contribution of all the teachers who are present here. Even the teachers who have not come, but still I will appreciate those lines. The teachers are like candles who finish themselves to give you light. Yes, these are the lights. I can see your smiling face. That we enjoy these places, and I am very much happy. But it is right also. Yes, we finish ourselves too. I am very much happy today, the day you have passed, today and the days to come. Thank you, I bless you all.
Hear some song from you. Sonar Bangla.
Now listen, I have settled here for a long time, residing here for a long duration of time. When I remember that such a long time, so I regret to say you that most of the years I used to sing, but thing is that I did not have any culture with the Bengali song and all these things, all the time English.
Anything.
Only one.
एक इंग्लिश में एक हिंदी में, नहीं तो हम महाराष्ट्र में रहते हैं, महाराष्ट्र बोलना पड़ेगा। मैं मराठी में भेजूंगा मैडम, मराठी में बोलना पड़ेगा।
Thank you, ma'am. The message has gone to Karnanagar and somebody is listening there. So people want to hear what you said to us on that day. Same thing, people are waiting to hear that.
Your dialogue has also come in a picture. We want to hear it.
Actually, that is my children. And they remembered me and they invited me. Actually, I joined in 1988 this school, and as for that, when I joined, before that, Khana itself was very new for me. I'm not very familiar with all these children. This is school also. This is school also very new for me. And this batch, 80, these children, when I joined, they were in 8th standard. And he was the class teacher of 8th B.
8B?
8B.
Yeah, all of us.
Govind, Suresh, and Sunil, all Vijay, they are my first children. Although they are very serious, backbenchers, because they are very strong, good students also. And, but even then, when they are in the class, they are doing a mistake. You might think they were doing mistakes, no. But even then, after the school, when they are out of school properly, when they meet, they are behaving very nicely, they are respecting me. And that is a student like Principal Hari Singhani. Very nice. I think of one night, the teachers who are working with me, they are also remembering the Mr. Hari Singhani. And my one wish is there, because I think he is the founder of this nice school. Very nice principal. And if suppose, my wish, if suppose it is possible you fulfill that, one photo for that Mr. Hari Singhani, if you get, frame it nicely and please give it to the Nanak school and request the principal of present principal, please put that photo. That is my wish. He only appointed me, and then the time he was there as a principal, really he was very cooperative and he encouraged me in my teaching also and managing also very nicely with the teachers, students. He was very good and still I remember. So my one wish is there, that is, if suppose you get a photo, then whenever suppose if it is possible, I can enter the school. That also one thing is there. Now the school, I think it is, whether I should get a gate pass or not, that I don't know. If I am able to enter the school, I want to see that photo in that office.
So you can get buses.
In that office.
Okay, that all.
That's all. Okay, then I bless all the children and I see that whether it is a school that is very small, but even then now all the children, they have good prospects and they have good, they have life also, they have stand up very nicely with the family and friends, and I wish them with their long, healthy, wealthy life. Teachers know and teachers also know, the children also know. I was maybe able to teach nicely, but when the school annual function was there, I got the preparation for the children for the annual function. I was their chief.
Take a round of applause. Madam, please on stage. Welcome.
We are here.
When I joined the school, that is in 92 it was, and all these children lot of respect. I really thank them to give this much due respect. And thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Miss few words, we won't leave you like this. Only few words and few songs. Hindi song. Hindi song.
Good evening, everybody. I am very happy. Anya? I am very happy that this is the second reunion. You had invited me and you had given us so much respect. And I remember very well, you were always a part of my companion in each and every class. I was class teacher for 2 times. Yes. Do you remember?
Yes.
And apart from that, I used to teach you sometimes English, sometimes maths, craft, and work experience, even moral science that I am going to see today. And in 8th, 9th, 10th, I was associated with you for teaching you Scouts and Guides. All these manners today I am going to see you. I am very proud to see and feel how whatever I taught today I have seen in a very good and well-mannered way. Thank you, children. I love you a lot. Wishing you the best of your life.
Dear friends, I'd like to share one thing about Pushpa Miss. Pushpa Miss is very, famous in slapping to the students. Okay. And that slap, you'll never forget in life. Once you get a slap, you'll hear a whistle in your ear. So that slap I'll never forget. But that slap has really taught us a lot of things. So I'm really thankful to Pushpa Miss for having that slap. And on behalf of you all, I'd just like to have a more clap for Pushpa Miss.
Now, I'm asking your wife, Rashmi. She has admitted. She has admitted because he has got a nice slap. So today he is very innocent. Isn't it? Isn't it?
You can ask for my wife.
Yeah, she told me.
You can ask for my wife.
What is your opinion about it?
I know wife.
Okay,
Thank you, miss.
okay.
Name is please.
देखो मेरे बच्चे प्यारे, मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ हमेशा कि मैंने इसको छोटेपन में कैसे पढ़ाया था।
आप खाली 20 के लिए याद करते थे, 20 नहीं भरी
अभी नहीं, पहले मैं टीचर थी ना।
तभी तो आपको फीस वाली टीचर बनाया। इसको सब स्टूडेंट मालूम है कौन कौन है।
अच्छा ऐसा, इसीलिए मैं सबको बहुत अभी भी याद करती हूँ कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे थे। मुझे याद आता है, सबका नाम भी याद है। बस मैं इतना ही बोलती हूँ।
Thank you. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. This moment is not going to come back in our life. Please make sure that we make the most of it.
2 words of blessing for us.
आज ये खुशी का दिन है, सब हमारे बच्चे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, सबसे मिले हैं, बहुत खुशी की बात है। हाँ। बस मेरी दुआ है कि आगे बढ़ते रहो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
थैंक यू दीदी जी।